If you want to select all photos in OneDrive quickly, this video will show you two simple methods that save time and make file management much easier. Whether you're trying to organize your images, move them into a folder, or prepare them for download or deletion, this guide will help you get it done without clicking every photo one by one. Before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open OneDrive in your web browser by going to OneDrive Web. Once the page loads, sign in with your Microsoft account. This is important because you need to be inside your own OneDrive storage to manage your files properly. After you're signed in, go to My Files. This is where all of your uploaded content is stored, including documents, videos, and photos. Now let's look at the first method, which is the search bar method. This is the best option if you want to find and select only photos instead of every type of file in your OneDrive. At the top of the page, click the search bar. Then type in common image file extensions such as .jpeg, .png, or .jpeg. These file types help OneDrive show only image results. Once the photo results appear, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. This selects all of the visible photo results on the screen at once. This method is especially useful if you only want image files and do not want to accidentally select PDFs, documents, or other file types. It's fast, simple, and very effective for bulk selection. If that method does not fit what you need, there is another easy way to select photos manually using checkboxes. To do this, move your mouse over a photo and look for the small circle or checkbox that appears on the thumbnail. Click that checkbox to select the photo. You can repeat this process for as many photos as you want by checking them one at a time. This is a good option if you only need to select a handful of specific pictures. If you want to select a larger group of photos together, there's also a faster trick. Click the first photo checkbox, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click another photo checkbox farther down the list. OneDrive can select many photos in between those two clicks, which saves a lot of time when your pictures are grouped together. This is especially useful if your photos are arranged in order and you want to grab a whole batch at once. So to recap, if you want to select all photos in OneDrive, the search bar method works great for filtering image files, and the checkbox method works great for manually selecting single photos or ranges of photos. The best method depends on how many files you have and how organized your folder is. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.